1982, this cursor changed everything. 2025, this one might too. If you're old enough, you remember this ritual. You'd get a magazine in the mail. You didn't understand the code. Not really. But you typed it anyway. And when you finally typed run, magic. Now there's a new cursor. And it speaks your language. No syntax to memorize. You just ask. In 1985, a kid would type in a program from a magazine to make a bouncing ball. In 2025, a kid just says what they want. Same magic. Different door. What can this cursor create? Let's find out.